Hi, I'm Robert Bernard, Chief Environmental Strategist for Microsoft. My role at Microsoft is to think about how we address environmental issues, from everything about how we run a 80,000 person company to how our software can help impact the world in positive ways. When we think about sustainability or environmental issues at Microsoft, we think about it across multiple dimensions. We have probably one of the longest standing recycling programs anywhere in the Northwest. We also recently created one of the largest private bus systems in the world. We've got over 25,000 miles of car traffic every single day that we're taking off the road by creating a private network of buses that people can get to and from work with. And now once they get on campus, we actually have a fleet of hybrid shuttles to get them around. And then we also think obviously a lot about our products. We had already been spending years on energy efficiency in our operating system. If you look at Vista, its power management really is much more proactive in putting machines to sleep and reducing, in many cases, over 200 watts an hour. One of the things that we've done in our new release, Windows Server 2008, is we have this dynamic power management. And what that really does is it allows you to save about up to 40% of energy for any given task on the server. Worldwide, software-driven devices use between 3 and 5% of energy. We absolutely have to drive down that footprint. What about that other 95%? How does the magic of software really help us address the problems that are driving 95% of the pollution problems around the world? If you look at the area of buildings, which are a major contributor to worldwide carbon, there's such an opportunity that says, before I ever put a shovel in the ground, I should know exactly how much carbon that building is going to produce. We can know through the magic of software in advance, and we can use strategies that say, how can I optimize efficiency? Our new data centers are going to be 50% more efficient than the ones we built just 3 years ago. One of the most exciting areas when we think about the environment is this is not an issue that's a Microsoft issue or an America issue or a European issue. This is a worldwide issue. We partnered with some of the leading organizations around the world to help solve issues that society is facing. About a year ago, we entered into a deal with the Clinton Foundation to create an application to help us solve one of the world's most pressing problems by enabling cities to measure, track, and then think about how to improve their greenhouse gas emissions. As one of the largest companies in the world, we believe that we have both a great opportunity and also an obligation to society and our customers to go help solve these problems. And software, while not the only ingredient, is certainly a key ingredient in empowering us and enabling us to imagine a future which is as robust as our past.